If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video right now because I'm going to show you step by step on how to copy product link on 1688 shopping app, and on the web is step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to copy any items or product link from 1688 using your web browser. So after we are done with copy product link from web browser, then we'll head over to 1688 shopping app and see how we can actually copy product link from the 1688 shopping app. Okay, so let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do, you can use any browser of your choice, but for this tutorial here I'm using Google Chrome. Then having opened up your browser, next thing you want to do is to come to the address bar at the top right here. Just type in 1688.com, then you press enter. Then you will be taken in straight into the official page of 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do, you can come to the top right here and click on translate to English. Then this automatically convert all this page from Chinese character to English language. Then you'll be able to read whatever that is written here in Chinese as a English spoken. Okay, so now we have everything translated automatically into English language. Okay, next thing we can do here is to just simply scroll down. Then we can click on any product, and then we see how we can eventually copy the product link and share it in any places of our choice that we want to share it. Okay, all right, so everything has been successfully translated into English. All right, so everything has been successfully translated into English language. So let's see how we can copy a product link from this particular 1688 shopping app. So we can simply scroll down, and then let's, for instance, we want to copy this product link right here. So what we want to do is to make sure we click on the product. We right click on the product like this. Then when you right click on the product, then you go to copy link address. Then we can simply open a notepad from our PC notepad. Then I'll click on notepad. Then here is my notepad right here. So we can simply name it product 1. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is to right click on the notepad, and we make sure we click on paste. So we're going to have the link like this. Okay, so this is how to copy product link on 1688 on web browser. So let's check out on how you can copy product link from 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's check it out.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to copy product links on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your 1688 shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, you can pick on any product of your choice. So for example, we're going to pick these items right here. So I'm going to click on this product link. Then it open up this page. Then I have to make sure I click on here to proceed to the sales page. Then open up this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on this icon. Then I have to make sure I click on here to copy the link. Boom, the link has been successfully copied. So we can simply exit from the 1688 shopping app. Then we can make use of any notepad to paste the link. So I have Easy Note right here. So I will simply click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then I will make sure I click and hold down, paste my link right here. So what I need to do right here is to make sure I click on the this part right here. I'll make sure I click on all these Chinese character. I will select from the top down right here. Then I'll make sure I cancel it. So this is the original link I need. I will just simply save it. So whenever I want to access my link, I will simply click on here
then I have my link right here. So I can simply click and hold down, open in a browser, or better still, I can simply copy the link and send it to whatever I want to send the link to. So this is how to copy product links on 1688 Chinese shopping app and on web browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.